Hello, today we continue to learn the rules about the letter Ch. I hope you remember last lesson I told you that letter Ch has soft sound Ch. If after Ch we can see all other letters, in this case the letter Ch has sound K. Now look at examples. Ch plus A, we read Ka, casa. It means a home, casa. We can't say chaza, we say casa. The sound is K. Ch plus O, we read ko. For example, coltello, it's a knife. Ch plus U, we read cu, cucina, it means kitchen. Ch plus L, cl, classe, class. Ch plus R, cr, croce, croce. It's a cross. Here we have another rule about the letter Ch. I know you remember that this combination of letters give us sound Ch, soft sound Ch. But we can add the letter H here and we transform this in Ki. Once again, if we have letter Ch plus E, we read this as Ch, Chi, Chinese. But if we add H, we have the sound K. Look at examples. Ch plus H and E, we read as Ki. For example, chiave, a key, chiave. Ch plus H, E, we read as Ke. For example, forchetta, it's a fork, forchetta. Try to read these words. Cane. Now you know why this word you read as cane but not as cane. Because we see the letter Ch and after it goes the letter A, not E or E, but A. So the sound is K, cane, a dog. Chiesa, a church. Occhio, an eye. Cuore, a heart. Scheda, scheda, a card. Lacrima, tear, lacrima, when we cry, we have some tears. Carota, a carrot. Corpo, a body. Try to write the words from exercise number 15 here and exercise 16. So we have cane, a dog. Then we need to write a church. In Italian it means chiesa. A church, in Italian we say chiesa. An eye, occhio. A heart, cuore. A card, scheda. tear, tear, lacrima, lacrima. A carrot, carota, and a body, corpo. Do you understand these rules? I hope you can say yes. So, see you next lesson. Bye bye.